Our vision is to provide a full-fledged solution for the sales side, so that we can have modular solutions that fit in for the sales side needs. From the fixed entry point for orders all the way down to the exchange connectivity. And in between you have a lot of different functionality areas that you need to be able to cover. And this is going far beyond what we have traditionally done at Itiviti. We are adding sales trading functionality, we are adding a lot around regulatory functionality, best execution, transaction cost analysis. So there's a strong vision, but it's also a lot of investments from us now where we're delivering with these products. Our vision has a lot to do with the trends that we can see. So if you maybe start with the outsourcing, there's a strong interest in sell side to not build everything themselves. So they want to actually outsource. So that's one thing. And in order to be able to outsource, you have to have a solution that is fit for purpose, that you can actually do something with. It's not completely a black box technology. Second part that I would like to mention is the trend to consolidate systems, because for sales side it's extremely expensive to have many different systems. You have many different vendors to deal with. You have to integrate these systems together, and arguably it would be much easier if there was one provider, given that of course this provider has the functionality in all those areas that is required. Thirdly, regulation. So there's a fair amount of new regulation coming out on a regular basis, and you have to have this integrated in the system. That's our vision. It's not good enough to have systems on the side that deal with this. It's very expensive and also hard to implement these kind of solutions. So, and then of course the fourth trend could be regarded as a consolidation trend, if you want to have a system that can deal with many different asset classes. So that's a special case of consolidation that we also think is important. So you start with consolidation. It means you have to add more functionality to the technology stack. You have to have solutions for sales trading as well as agency trading. You need to have fixed infrastructure to be able to receive client order flow. So we have integrated our two main technologies, the Itiviti T-Bricks technology and the Itiviti Catalyst technology, and kind of merge them so that we have the full stack, go from exchange connectivity up to where you receive the orders from the outside through our fixed infrastructure. Then on the side, we have a very strong regulatory framework with a lot of functionality, both for just compliance, which are the hygiene factors, but also we are in our business logic adding new functionality to meet some of the changes in market structure that we can see will happen due to regulation. So for the regulatory things, there are two aspects of it. So we have the regulatory framework, the reporting tools, but then also a lot of new functionality that we're adding to our components on the trading side of things. Then also outsourcing. So we think we have one of the best technologies out there for this, because it's open, it's a modern technology, it's very high performant, and it's also built to be built upon. We think that technology plays a critical role in this. Without the right technology, you can't build the products for the future that we think you have to build. So technology, we call ourselves a technology company. We think technology is everything. You have to have an open architecture, you have to have high performance, you have to have a high pace of development, you have to be able to build your own stuff. If you are buying software from a company or licensing software from a company, you cannot just use that software as it is. You have to be able to in certain ways adapt it. So it has to be adaptable. So technology is critical, totally critical.